So the exam date does not have to be within the month. Maybe that's what we get in here. So the exam date can be any. It's just she assigned herself to that task within a month, from 1st to the 30th or the 31st. But the create date for that task can be any range. That's what's might be.
So scheduling date range, we want that the assignee changed to that's individual, but it's the assignee, and she would never be assigned at any other point.
No, they assign themselves once they start working on the task.
This. Okay. They're gonna make me put in. Let me see if it'll just let me copy and paste this in. This would be. Hey, I'll fix that to be dynamic because I don't want it to be all hard-coded dates. I want it to be today, the month, the year. So it doesn't matter what month you're looking at. You don't have to go in and hard code change it to